You know, when you've got a very big game over the weekend,
Yeah.
fana ukuthi mawuphethe 100 rand ungathengi sinkwa for today ukhohlwe weekend. So kumele uthenge ubeke 50 rand uzothenga futhi weekend sinkwa ngoba manje mawuzothenga 100 rand la uyothenga ngani weekend, so kushuda kudliwa weekend. Manje namhlanje we said no, you know what, let's just put them under pressure. Let's save Lamagoli Lawa for weekend because weekend we need 4 goals. And it's possible that we can get that 4 goals. If we can go on like this tonight. Yes, Shane, it's a bit worrying, to be really honest. It's worrying. It's a serious thing that in all the chances that they've created, you know, it was so difficult for them to score. And those are easy, like I'm a tap in. I mean, Nemtejela, Tito, Mahopa, Butuma, Apolise. Okay, as well all the attacking players.
You counted about 5 chances. So
yeah, it's worrying, but it's not something that really I can go to a hospital and admit for that. Because the good thing is they create those chances. So it also says to the coach, we are getting there. We are in that final third. We are in that box. Now the matter of just passing the net.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.